Look at this. My favorite running destination is dressed for Christmas. I hope it's still open. Just 15 kilometers away from my home. Since I've just run 15 kilometers, I need a snack. I couldn't decide which one of these two I want more. The place is all dressed for Christmas. In a second, I will show you the interior. It's gorgeous. I'm so happy I decided to run here today. Okay, let's have that dessert, the goal of the run. And then it's time to run back. The only problem now is that I have 15 kilometers to run back.